Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 2, Week 5, Day 1. Our topic for today is reading and retelling with high frequency words. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning. I hope you are all doing well today. Today, we will review the previous lesson to make sure that you have understood everything properly. I eat breakfast every day. Class, let us read the sentence. Now, identify the subject and the verb used in the sentence. Correct. I is the subject and is the verb. This is an example of a simple sentence. What makes it a simple sentence? The given sentence is a simple sentence because it has a single independent clause with a subject I, a verb it, and a complete thought. Now, how do you make an imperative sentence to make a request? When writing imperative sentences to make a request, start with the polite expressions like please, followed by a verb in its base form, then the indirect object. For example, please, pass me the salt. How and when do you use correct capitalization and punctuation for simple sentences? The first word in a sentence should always be capitalized, and the sentence should end with a punctuation mark. Now, it is time to learn a fun topic about animals. Name each animals. What is your favorite animal and why? What animal is in the last picture? Great! The last picture is called a kitten. A kitten is a young cat or the baby of a cat. Who has a kitten at home? What do you know about kittens? Lesson purpose intention. In today's lesson, you will explore a poem about kittens while learning to understand stories better. Moreover, you will examine characters, settings, events in order, the main problem, and its solution. You will also study about characters' feeling, connections to your lives, cause and effect relationship, predictions, and summarizing. Lesson language practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Reading the key idea stem. Everybody, read after me. My kitten friend. One warm summer day, a kitten was found, cuddled up tight, not making a sound, with fur as soft as the first light of dawn, in a garden where the plants and roots grow and spawn. With a lap and a purr, the kitten did play, in the warmth of the sun and the light of the day, exploring the stems and the leaves all around, a world full of wonders waiting to be found. As the moon rises high and the stars shall peep, the kitten goes for a walk, not too far to leap. Beneath the vast sky, with 10,000 stars to see, the kitten finds its place right where it should be. Under the vast sky, with stars shining bright, we thank the Lord above for the day and the night. With gratitude in our hearts, we humbly pray for His guidance and love in every step of our way. In the garden's embrace, where blossoms bloom, we learn to care for earth, to heal and to groom. Recycle, reduce, and reuse, we say. For a cleaner world, let's tread the eco-friendly way. Answer the following question. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. The poem you read includes characters, setting, and plot that help you understand the theme. Character is a person, animal, or being in a story who takes part in the events. Setting is the time and place where the story happened. Plot is the sequence of events in a story, including the beginning, middle, and end. Theme is the central message or lesson the story conveys. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Closely examine this graphic organizer that illustrates the story components. This graphic organizer has parts. Whenever you read or listen to a story, you should pay attention to this specific section for easier narration or events. Now, complete the graphic organizer by answering its various parts. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the following statement. Evaluating learning. Summarize the poem by completing the sentences using words from the poem. Here is the answer. For your homework, fill out the cause and effect chart with the correct event.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!